Hey, it's Nick and Jen Keller coming live to you from the farm in Home, Kansas. We have some big news today, and rewind to a year ago. A year ago today, I was 7 months into my journey with It Works Global, and Nick decided to take a year leave of absence from his job as a commercial pilot. Fast forward to today. What happened, honey?
Well, I don't know if y'all can see this, but it says 2 words. I quit. And we were able to do this because of what It Works has done in our life. It's just blessed us beyond our possible measure. It's just given us things and given us opportunities that we would have never been able to do before. And you know, we just want to say thanks to everybody on our team that's helped us do this. The future just got more plans for us than we can possibly imagine. So we're excited, we're happy, and we can't wait just to bring it to everybody full throttle.
Okay, now we just want to share with you what our kids think about Dad being home full-time. Why are you happy that Daddy's home full-time? Because why? Go to the beach?
Yeah.
Yay! Why are you happy that Daddy's home full-time, Jet?
Because we get to go golfing after the video.
Golfing!
I'm glad because he can stay here for the holidays.
Holidays. Maya.
3 reasons.
3 reasons.
Number one, because we can go on RV trips and relax. And number 2, he's gonna be one of my homeschool teachers and the principal. And number 3, because so he won't miss any more of our birthdays.
Yay! Katie.
I'm glad that Dad's home because we can go on RV trips.
Yay! Brendan.
I'm glad Dad's home because we get to see him every day.
I'm glad Dad's home because we don't miss him as much as we do when he's gone.
Oh, thank you, It Works. Thank you, It Works.